Alright, today let's do our unboxing of a Ryobi telescoping pole up to 18 feet reach. Used for pressure washers up to 4200 psi, 15% lighter weight, includes a wash brush, accepts multiple attachments, compatible with 1/4 inch quick connect accessories, collapses to 5 feet. Ergonomic handle, 3/8 quick connect to M22 adapter. Includes telescoping pole, wash brush, support strap, 3/8 quick connect to M22 adapter, and operator manual. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so these are the parts. The poles, the brush, the quick connect, and the strap. So I'm going to read the instructions and put it together and see what comes out. Okay, so you assemble all the pieces from the biggest to the smallest. And then you thread the hose through the pipes till it comes out to the end. Alright, and then you take this and you connect it to this fitting. And they supply a small U-clip to keep it in place. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do next. Okay, so it's installed. It takes a little effort. You may need a hammer to tap it in. Alright, now the hose is all bundled up on this end, so I got to pull it through and then connect this part to here. Alright, so that's installed. Pull the hose all the way out. And now you have to release this clip and push this piece all the way out so you can attach the hose, the brush attachment. And then attach the brush. So it looks like this. And that's how it looks. And then you put your nozzle on the end of this. And I think on the other end, let's see what else we have to do. Okay, the only thing left to do now is to attach the strap. I just put it in here and then you just tighten this up. Alright, and then you need to adjust this to suit your shoulder. Alright, your hose goes onto the end of this, and this is the finished product. Alright, they do mention that there's a lock button on it right there, that you engage it when you're not using it or when you're moving it to a different position. And this is the handle to activate it. It takes a fair amount of force. You'll probably get tired squeezing it after a while. And when you're extending it, there are some signs on it that says do not extend beyond this point. It makes sure there's 4 inches of the pipe inside of the next section to provide stability. And they said that when you're using it, there is a certain amount of kickback. The pole will kick back when the trigger is released and or the pressure is lost. Alright, we move the nozzle 10 feet from the surface being cleaned to make sure you have solid footing. So it's going to kick back a bit. That's something else you have to get accustomed to. Now I did rent one of these long poles from Home Depot. It wasn't telescoping, it was just a long pole, and it was very tiring to use. So just keep that in mind. You need to use a fair amount of force to keep it in place. Let's see, I'm not sure how this one will perform, but I expect it will probably be just as tiring. So I think that's it for the unboxing and the setup assembly of this Ryobi telescoping unit. This is the part number, and these are the, let me show you the replacement parts right here. I think the most likely thing you'll probably need is the hose. They also have a U-clip, which you probably wouldn't really need, the brush end, the lock nut, which is this, and a shoulder strap. Any questions or comments, let me know.